My name is Josef Herman. Nowhere else was I offered a home. I, who had lost nearly everything. By the end of that first week, they had given me a nickname, Joe Bach. This 1938, the war was just around the corner, and so was the destruction of my people, of millions of Polish Jews. What is a Polish painter like me doing in Ystradgynlais, staring at bridges and trees? I stayed on here because I found here all that I required on that first afternoon. I never forgot the color of that sky that afternoon. It was red and gold, and then, suddenly, out of nowhere, a group of miners stepped onto the bridge. For a split second, their heads appeared against the sun as against a yellow disc like a giant halo. To me, that image was like a holy picture that you might see in a chapel or a temple. It was man at his most elemental. That scene was overwhelming. And I knew that I could work here. Poor people think that painting is just something rich people should do. But no, it is not. It is for everyone whose fingers itch to handle pigment and pour their feelings out into a picture. I would spend all morning at my easel with just a short break for lunch, trying to catch that form, the monumental image of a man at work. This fearsome group of souls going deep, deep down into the earth. What courage. But what makes this town different from the others that I know is its color. Those oily roofs there, and those glossy roads, and the full noisy river. They are all made by the rain. The colors that I love so dearly are manufactured by it. When the sun appears, these streets, otherwise a uniform grey, become copper brown. This happens usually in the evenings, because the days are mostly spent behind a screen of rain. On that first afternoon here, I stood on this bridge, the teddy bear bridge they call it, and I looked around me. It is a terrible thing to leave what you know. All of my family died in the Holocaust, and years later, in this town, I found a sadness and a beauty that brought me home again. Something someone said to me at the end of that first day. You are no stranger here. God is complicated. But one of the things I loved most about my new home was the sound of your chapel singing. The voices of Wales reminded me of the beautiful Yiddish songs of my childhood. It was the sound of soul, of memory. I did not speak a word of Welsh. I'll tell you a secret. I still don't understand Welsh. Just enough to say hello or shumai to my neighbors. But I instantly had a feeling. I looked at the hills out there, and the chapel roofs, and the cold, clear stream, and I knew that I was somewhere special. Other places I had been offered kindness and friendship, but nowhere else was I offered a home. Only here, in this close-knit town, built around a common labor. They say that one day the Holocaust will be history. But to me, it is here on my shoulder. My name is Josef. Josef Herman. But that is not my real name. My real name is an old Jewish Polish name, Mining Josef Herman.